Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Aussie dollar, since like last Thursday, has been making lower lows, lower highs. To me, it definitely does have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to it. So if we do get a break, which is a big if, it doesn't have to. If it breaks structure to the upside, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. If it does break structure to the upside, I think that it would more than likely end up being a pullback to this move down, like a wave B or a wave 2, potentially going to 38 to 78% of this whole move down. But like I said, it doesn't have to break structure to the upside. It definitely may end up continuing to make lower lows, lower highs. I would definitely be looking for shorts until we get this break of structure. Then after the break of structure, I would still wait for a pullback to go long. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.